So whenever we are using our microscopes, we always want to take very, very good care of them. The microscopes are located on the sides of your lab benches in the tall cabinet, and whenever you bring the microscope out or put it back, you want to make sure that you hold by the arm and under the base, okay? Always use two hands, don't just use one hand to hold your microscope. Likewise, if you do need to move your microscope on the table, pick it up and move it. Don't drag it across. That will shake things loose in the microscope and it will mess up the view that you're trying to see. When you plug in your microscope, always make sure that you actually hold the plug itself, that you don't just yank the cord of the microscope. Carefully plug it in and remove it. When we use the 100x objective, we have to use an oil immersion. And because of that, our microscopes can get pretty oily and pretty messy. So it's really important that we clean our microscopes well. When you are done looking at a slide, you want to clean your 100x objective and any oil that is any place else. And you want to clean your microscope in between every single slide. To clean your microscope, you're going to use lens paper and lens cleaner. These things are found in the bottom drawer on each side of the lab bench. Make sure you use lens paper and not bibulous paper. There are two different books of paper in there. To clean your microscope, pull out a full piece of lens paper and fully saturate a portion of it with the lens cleaner. You want to get it really, really, really well saturated. And then you're going to use that to clean the bottom of the objective, making sure that you are pushing up into that objective when you are cleaning the objective. These things can get really, really oily, and you may want to make sure that you get them very clean because that oil can make them hard to see through. When you are done, you can always check yourself by using a clean piece of lens paper to see if there's any oil left. Additionally, if you get oil anyplace else, like on the stage, on the condenser, or on any of the other objectives, make sure that you clean that oil off.